Baby, what is you doing? Teach us, and they leave us. Find some other souls to save. Seen my share of broken halos, broken wings that used to fly. Brother, honey, is she alright? Wherever they go, broken halos that used to fly, shine. Oh, look! Broken halos that used to shine. Brother, seriously, do I need to be concerned, honey? Are you alright? You okay? Honey, are you? Tay in the wind. Tay in the wind. Come on, brother. Fucking reason. Don't go asking Jesus why. We're not meant to know the answers. They belong to the by and by. They belong to the by and by. My share of broken halos, broken wings that used to fly. They've all gone wherever they go. Broken halos that used to shine. Broken halos that used to shine. Oh, broken halos that used to shine. Hello, that used to shine. Note to self. What's with the what is that about again? Why do you wait till I get here, sir, and start with your... I'm a shadow, sun coming up. I can see clear as light of day. And it hurt, the luck, and I'm tucking my tail and running away. I'd rather face a good God Almighty, have mercy on me. Dude, good golly woman, that just scares the devil right out of me. And it should stop being stupid, brother. Hello, is she all right, dude, brother? You okay? Honey. Ah, come on now. All right. Come on. Over here. What did she do? Made much sense, because this good godly woman is madder than hell. I'd rather face a good God Almighty, have mercy on me. Comes across in a good godly woman that just scares the devil right out of me. Tell him I said, hey. How's the mom and them now? He's such a goober. I'd rather face a good God Almighty, have mercy on me. Comes across in a good godly woman. I'd rather face a good God Almighty, have mercy on me. Comes across in a good godly woman that just scares the devil right out of me. Oh, out of me. He's on a sin or something. Out of me. What a glorious day, darling. Whoa! Ah, dang, I missed that. Yo, it looked like he cleared that creek in one fell leap. He looked like a freaking antelope leaping. It was gorgeous. He's ridiculous. He didn't get to go creaking yesterday, so he got a little rambunctious and anyway, he's making, baby. I had to let Grayson come along though. Anyway, mucho love. I hope y'all are having a blessed day because it is glorious. Hope y'all get out and get tuned in and enjoy your day.